It's January 5th, 2020. Since a lot of things hasn't changed, I'm just going to focus on a few things. Right here we have lavender. You can see the leaves are still kind of yellowing. The rosemary is still flowering, actually a lot of flowers. And then this hydrangea, you can see all the leaves are gone. Over here we have the summer snowflakes. Looks like the sprouts is getting taller very slowly. And then down here we have the Persian Pearl tulips. You can see the sprout is getting taller now, and there's a lot more sprouts than last week. Here's some tulip sprouts. They're also getting taller. Over here we have the grape hyacinth. You can see some new leaves coming out from the bulbs. Probably gonna replace these longer, older leaves. Strawberries looks about the same. See the new leaves not really getting bigger. The catnips, you can see new growths at the bottom of the plants right here. And the older growths are just turning yellow now. Over here we have the hyacinth. You can see flowers already. And the crocus, a lot of sprouts as you can see. Comparing to the bulbs that were stored dry, a lot less sprouts, but you can still see some sprouts coming out nicely. Here's the snowdrop. You can see the flower is slowly fading away now. And here's a few more snowdrop sprouts. And I think this sprout over here is a new one. Daffodil sprouts are still getting taller slowly. For the indoor garden, let's just focus on the orchids. The dendrobium flowers, you can see it's getting bigger now. Here's a few more. And then here's the last one over here. And then let's also look at the mini oncidiums. All of the flowers are actually fading now. As you can see, when I touch it, the flowers fall off. Here's some new flowers. This other mini oncidium is doing the same thing. You can see flowers are falling off now. So yeah, the flowers they don't stay as long as the other ones. But worry not, here's some new flowers. Lastly, let's look at the staghorn fern. You can see that shield fronds I mentioned last week is getting bigger now. Not by much though.